Did you know this is one of the only Goan temples to be never attacked by the Portuguese? Welcome to the Mahadev temple located at Tambdi Surla that is built inside the Bhagwan Wildlife Sanctuary. Dating back to the 12th century during the Kadamba rule in Goa, this temple is built out of a very peculiar black rock which is believed to be sourced from the Deccan regions by the kadambas. The inscriptions and carvings are said to be done by craftsmen from the Karnataka region, hence giving this temple its peculiar but interesting look. The temple faces east and it is believed it is done so that the first rays of sun reach the Shivling. There are multiple images and depictions of Hindu gods, but it is the carving of the serpent god and the headless Nandi bull that definitely stands out. This temple is one of Goa's architectural and historical marvels, so while in Goa, do plan on visiting this temple at least once. Hope you loved this. See you for more.